All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. I am back at it again out here in the west side of the Las Vegas Valley in this beautiful master plan community of Summerlin. So this neighborhood right here is Vertex by Pointe. These are townhomes. They start off from the 400s. Now today we're going to be focusing on the plan 2. Now they have a plan 2X, but we're going to be focusing on the plan 2. Now the plan 2 consists of 1,824 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Now the base price on here is $492,000. Okay, with elevation A, B, and C all at the same price. So we're going to take a look at this. This is actually an end cap. Some of these end caps can go anywhere from $0 to $40,000. It is all an option based upon the lot that you pick. So as you can see how large this end cap is. But what we're going to do is we're going to head back down this way. Now, the HOAs here are going to be $225 a month. Also, if you guys plan on coming out here, make sure to reach out to my guy, Kyle. He's actually my sales guy over here. So this is how we're going to hook you up. Let's do some business together, okay? Just let him know that Chakits sent you, so that way you can be taken care of. All right, we're going to go inside, make our way back around, and we're going to go down this way. Now, typically, I would just scale this fence, but it is a little bit too high. So here is the 2-car garage. As you can see, it's okay with the panels. These are aluminum panels. They're actually very thin. As you can see, we have some siding as well, and mixed with some stucco. And you got 3 different color of elevations you can pick from. Nice solid door here. Love the color. Okay, let's get back into the AC unit. So first thing as I walk in, I'm greeted with this nice staircase all the way up to the 2nd floor. It's just nice and open. This is just a completely open floor plan. This is one of the best floor plans out of them all so far. I think because it is a corner lot. So the corner lots only offer plans 3 and 2. But I'm going to start off here in the backyard or outside. We have a 6x8 slider here. These panels are not your top slides. As you can see, you can actually lift this up off the track. So one thing I would recommend is you have a security post on here. The backyard is, like I said, it's very large. Now you could literally fit a pool if you choose to. Okay, there's York right there trying to open the slider. It's not going to work because he's not aware that they screwed down for liability purposes. Okay, we have your rainbird system here, pressure breaker valve, your clean out. We also have the gas line, as you can see. Okay, we have 1 AC unit here. Now one thing I want you to check is that on the standard upgrades that come with it, right, you're going to sign off on what comes with the home. If it says it's a 16 SEER, you need to make sure that this is a 16 SEER unit. That's also happening with the appliances as well. Now, with the oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. I've been doing so many videos today that I'm just like tongue twisted. So with the package appliances that you purchase, make sure to get that serial number because sometimes they may not have that one, right? But then the stove or the dishwasher that you may get or the microwave, it looks the same, but it may not have the same BTUs. Check that serial number, okay? So whatever that serial number is on your purchase, there should be a QR code or a serial number on here. Let's see if we could find it, okay? Because it's on all of these. Let's see if we could find it here. And usually I'm pretty good at this, but okay. Where is the QR code or the serial number on here? Okay, so all these do have a serial number and a QR code. So keep that in mind. This one, I don't know where it's at, but they usually have these on all of them. Okay, so like right here, model and serial number. You need to identify that you have the same serial number because if you bought this one right here, and let's just say it puts out so much wattage or BTUs or whatever it is, right? you need to make sure you're paying what you get for, okay? On this one right here, you have orange peel texture with the straight edge. You can do straight edge or bullnose, or you can do 4 different types of texture, okay? All this right here, this additional built out, this would be a upgrade. So that's something that you got to keep in mind. This flooring right here, these are 24 by 24 porcelain tile, is also an upgrade. You have nice granite here, which is pretty nice. And I love the color combo here. It is more natural, okay? You do have this Blanca sink. However, it is stain resistant, but I would recommend a soft water system throughout the whole house. That's totally up to you. Now, the refrigerator is not included, but I mean, it's a pretty nice cafe refrigerator, okay? We have our half bath here. You have the quarter turn versus the push in, push out. I definitely do like this. Now, this bathroom doesn't have that much light, so I would highly recommend that you get something or get a bunch of lights. Here's your 2-car garage here. Let's go take a look at the living area. This is where you're going to be spending most of your time entertaining your guests and friends. This one right here, we do have a Smurf too, okay? Now, one thing I've noticed, we don't have 4-can lighting here. Something I would definitely highly recommend, do the 4-can lighting, because if you don't have any lights that come in, then you're going to run into some problems, okay? It's going to be too dark. Here, right above there, we have our hotspot right there. So this is something I would pre-wire in, because you have 2 floors and your Wi-Fi, right, and your router may not pick up that signal because it's too far, especially when you have multiple devices. So it's just a nice booster to have. So we have some storage space. One thing that I would do here is actually make this a pantry. Get rid of this, so that way you have your walk-in pantry. Now, the banister is an upgrade. We're gonna go upstairs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stairs before we hit a landing. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 before we make the second floor. We have windows all the way across, which is really nice. Take a look at that mountain view there. It's gorgeous. On this one, they upgraded on the banister. Off to the right, we have our primary. On this one right here, we have a faux trace ceiling, which is pretty good. They did a pretty good job on it. And they cladded the back here with laminate. Pretty decent size. I think this is 16 by 20. Coming into the bathroom here. You only get 1 sink, but you would have to upgrade that with the countertops and also the cabinets and this full mirror too as well. In addition to with the sconset lighting. This door right here that leads into the closet, you have a mirror here. That is not standard. Everything is an upgrade, folks. That's right, okay? Now, one thing I want you to understand, that in the closet, you never paint it a dark color like this because it makes it more dark, okay? You better have an 8-foot LED strip, especially something like this. You can actually just pre-wire and do 1 long LED strip here, so that way it just illuminates this whole room. Because when you're looking at clothes, you want to get the true natural color of it. Your 48-inch smart panel box is right here. Then we have our water closet. Then we have our shower. Now guys, keep in mind, this is just, for me, this is more of a standard home, entry-level home. So if you guys want to live in Summerlin, look, you're going to be into this about $500 and some change, depending on your taste, okay? Let's go take a look at these other bedrooms here. We'll start off with this one. This is a pretty decent size. This one's a little bit longer. I do have the dimensions here. I have to pull up on my phone, but it's kind of hard to do all that because I can't remember. I think this one is 16 by 12. As you can see, this one's a little bit long, so you can't really put any type of cabinets here. You would have to just hang your TV. So it's really one directional on this one. walk-in closet. So we got some damage here as well on the baseboards. Okay. Somebody asked me, can you actually buy the model? So builders don't sell the models until the end, and the reason why is because they want top dollar. Now, when you get into like certain like luxury, like right now, what we're doing with Blue Heron is that we have a client that's going to come out and look at the property, and basically, if they like it, they can buy it, but we would lease it back to Blue Heron. So there are options like that, okay? But it's far in between. Reason why builders wait till the end is because this is how they strike as much as money as they can from the consumer. It's like, why sell this at $400 right now and lease it back to them when they can wait? By the time this community is done, you're probably going to be looking at the high 500s by the time this community is completely built out. Maybe it will reach 600 for a townhome. I know that sounds very crazy, but that's how home pricing is now here in Las Vegas. Things are getting pretty pricey. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, I would recommend that you do subscribe to the channel. Okay, also don't forget to tune in every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we talk about real estate and financing. Or just visit lvhomeexperts.com. It's a great website. You'll be able to take a look at all the new homes. Also, in the link in the description below, you will also have a link for all the new homes as well. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My name's Chakits with Simply Vegas. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.